Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to add a user to your WordPress website. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see an option called Users. Click on Users, then click on Add New. A new screen will open. Here you need to fill in the user information. Enter the username, email address, first name, last name, and enter the website URL. Next, click on Generate Password. WordPress will create a strong password. Copy this password and save it. Below the password option, you will see user rule. Here you can choose any rule you want: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Since this person will manage my website, I will select administrator. Now click on add user. Your user is successfully added. This new user can now log into your WordPress website using the email and password you entered. And that's it. This is how you can easily add any user to your WordPress website and assign any rule you want.